Namaste. My name is Medha Shruti. I am studying 6th class. Now I am going to tell you about how to prepare upma. You all know it is a popular recipe in Andhra Pradesh. First of all, take one pan, place it on the stove and lit the stove. Pour 3 spoons of oil and 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 2 spoons of Bengal gram pulses, 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 1 pinch of fenugreek and 1 pinch of coriander seeds, 1 fist of groundnut seeds, and fry all these ingredients until it turns into red. And pour some pieces of onions and some pieces of green chilli. Pour 3 cups of water and drop some leaves of margosa and pour 1 spoon of salt. Let it boil for 5 minutes. After then, slowly for 2 cups, pour wheat pollard or wheat suji. Simultaneously mix it with the ladle until it becomes solid in the pan. Put lid for 2 minutes. Then delicious upma is ready to serve. Thank you.